Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this quick video, I explain to you how to monitor your data usage on Windows 11, as Windows allows you to monitor your data usage by monitoring it using some tools in Windows 11. Monitoring your data usage on Windows is useful if you're using a metered connection or are concerned about exceeding data caps. This allows you to adjust your usage patterns to ensure you are using your data effectively. I will explain to you two ways to monitor your data usage. The first method is using Task Manager. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager in the menu. In the Task Manager, select the App History tab in the menu on the left side. On the right side, you will see usage statistics for applications running on your computer. Look at the network column to see how much data is used by apps. Most of the applications on my computer have no data usage, because Windows is still new, and you will find the amount of data in megabytes. Through this method, you will be able to know the amount of data used by each megabyte application on your computer. There is another method, more detailed than this method, which is through Advanced Network Settings. And the second method is how to monitor data usage using Advanced Network Settings. First, open Windows 11 Settings. From the Settings page, select the Network and Internet tab in the list on the left side. And on the right side, scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. After that, click on the Data Usage option, and you will see your total data usage at the top left of the right panel. Here you will find data usage statistics for applications and services on your computer, and you will know the amount of data used by each application or each service on your computer in megabytes. At the top, you can click on the Filter by drop-down menu to choose the period to check the statistics. Here you will find the periods of the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, and the last 30 days. Select the period in which you want to know the statistics and the amount of data used for this period. You can also set a data usage limit by clicking on the Enter Limit button. Here you can set the limit type by choosing between daily, weekly, monthly, one time, and unlimited. Select the option that is right for you. Next, set when the limit should be reset or expire, and also select the appropriate option for you. Finally, enter the data limit you want, for example 50 GB during this period. Before you click the Save button, you should know that this is not a strict data usage limit that Windows will impose, but you will be warned when you reach your limit. So this will allow you to act based on your data plan. Of course, there are some tools and applications that monitor your data usage, but here I used the tools available and integrated with Windows. These applications can display more details and statistics about your data usage. I hope the video is useful to you, and thank you for watching. I also hope you subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.